saka strawberry, half mango, half avocado, 1 egg, and 1 sliced bread. So muna akong pamahaw karon. Namin ka avocado. Good morning. Happy Monday. Alis kayo. Thank you for watching, guys. Good morning. Happy Monday. God bless. Amping ang tanan. I love you all. Bye.